today on NYSE Floor Talk here at LTF 2024 in Miami is Adolfo Babatz. He is the founder and CEO at Clip. Adolfo, wonderful to see you again.
Thank you for inviting me again, and great to see you again here in Miami.
Thank you. Yes, great to be here in Miami with you.
Yeah, like the weather?
I'm enjoying it for sure. So let's start off by actually talking about the company. Let's do a refresher. Tell me about Clip and your mission.
Yeah, so Clip, we are the largest payment provider for SMBs in Mexico. Our mission is to become the operating system for commerce in Mexico. And we currently offer different types of services to merchants. Number one is we offer, of course, payment services. That's how we got started. Number two, financial services, things like lending, digital accounts. Number three, growth services, things that help merchants grow their business, like an online store, selling top-ups, paying for service, etc. And the fourth one is APIs and software. So we're developing APIs so other people can use our infrastructure, and developing software for specific verticals. So through this platform is that we have become the largest payment provider for SMBs in Mexico.
Now, Clip is actually a fintech unicorn in Mexico.
We are.
So tell me, what were the key factors that led you to become a unicorn?
So I think it's pretty old school. It's really simple. Number one is the quality of the product. It's not only that we have several products, but for many, many years we only had one product, but the quality product is absolutely outstanding. Just to give you a piece of data, Clip has been the highest rated app in Mexico, in the Mexico App Store for, I think it's like 6 years or so. So number one, the product. Number two, a very unique distribution model, online and offline distribution model. In Mexico, it's hard to go only with either one. So we have a breadth of distribution models that really help us reach every single corner of the country really, really fast with outstanding service. Number three, talking about service, the quality of the service. 80% of our merchants until Clip, they only took cash. So this is a financial inclusion story. Clip is Mexico's first financial inclusion story. And as a result, they need to be handheld in the process of start accepting digital payments. So we offer an extraordinary level of service. And number fourth, the basis for all of this is the culture that we have as a company. We have created what we think is a very unique place to work in Mexico. And those four elements are what enables or help us become a unicorn, and most importantly, serve hundreds of thousands of merchants throughout the country.
Now, innovation. How do you stay innovative to meet the varying needs of your merchants?
So I think it's also relatively simple. You just have to stay close to the merchants. Really, really stay close. And this is how we developed Clip in the beginning, listening to what they need, see what they need, be there with them in their stores, in their places of work, and from there, use our creativity and our teams to develop new products and services. So it's staying very, very close to our customers.
And talk to me about your future plans for expanding your services in Mexico.
Yeah, so in these four verticals or four pillars that we have in our platform, we're going to go deep on each one of them, meaning in the payment side, offering all forms of payment, card present, card not present, coupons, QR codes. Just keep going on in drilling deeper in that vertical. Financial services, things like lending, as I mentioned, digital account, so merchants can have a broad offering of financial services at their disposal with the experience and through the Clip app. Number three, as I mentioned, growth services. This is very important. These are things that help merchants grow, so we don't become a cost center, so we become a profit center for them. And finally, APIs. So we have by far the largest infrastructure in terms of payment methods in the country. So we're starting to opening up that so other people, other companies, developers can use our infrastructure. So we're just gonna keep the same priorities and drill down on each one of them.
Now we're here in Miami at LTF 2020 with many leaders and experts. Tell me, what are you hoping to gain from being here?
So I've come to this event for the last, I think, 7, 8 years, I don't know, for a very, very long time. And this is a great place because it's a kind of a one-stop shop to see pretty much everyone that is in the tech industry in Latin America. This is a great place to see investors, to see colleagues, to just catch up with people. And that's what I come every year. I just want to, catch up and see the people that I don't get to see, of course, during the year. So super happy.
Now, Adolfo, you are a tech CEO. Tell me, if you could invent a gadget that would make your job easier, what would it be?
Definitely something that will help me with HR. Either recruit people a lot easier, retain people, make them grow, read their mind. So to make I think the most important thing in any startup and the most challenging piece is people, right? Because companies are, at the end of the day, it doesn't matter if it's a tech company or not, are managed and run by people. So something that can really, like a magical wand that will help me manage the people that work at Clip. That is what I would invent.
That's a good one.
All right.
Adolfo, always great to talk with you. Thanks for joining me on Floor Talk today.
Thank you so much. Thank you.